Hi guys, this is Onkar from Simply Retrofits. So I'm going to introduce integrated T5 fixture, or you can call it under cabinet light. It's integrated. These are just above over an inch, and the other side is less than an inch. Very easy to install. We got both sides. One is female, other side is male, and this comes with it. So the whole set comes with installation and also to plug this in. And we also have this one where you can plug it in directly to the receptacle, and that's additional, that's extra cost on this, and that's the male and female to connect two of these together if you have to. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate how this works. So what we have is regular plug which you're going to plug in on this side, and it goes on this side, on the female side. That's it. This is about 3500K color temperature, and now we're gonna integrate plug two of these together. So we got this connection, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, very easy to install anywhere in the kitchen or an office, wherever you can need it. Thanks for watching.